In this video, I will be showing you how to filter your pivot tables here in Google Sheets. So in a previous video, I've already shown you how to filter your data within a table using a slicer. Now, did you know that you can also use a slicer to filter your pivot tables? Let's go ahead and do that. Here in my spreadsheet, I have a second tab where I have my pivot table. Let's go ahead and click on that, and here we have it. So we have a pivot table of a sum of quantity product purchase by region. If we go to edit right here, here are more of the options that we can do with our pivot table. For our rows, we have our region, and for our columns, we have our product purchase. Values would be our total quantity. If we were to change this to, let's say, our price. There we have it. We have the total price for all of those product purchases based on the region right here. Again, if you want to change that, you can do so. Or if you want to add another one, you can do it by quantity. So for each product, we have the sum of the price and the sum of the quantity. So 2 columns for each of these products right here. Well, what if you want to filter it without using the filter right here on the pivot table editor? We can also use a slicer to filter our data. So let's go ahead and close that. Let's insert our slicer. Go to data here in the menu bar and select add a slicer. Here we have our choices of which data range we want to filter with our slicer. And that's going to be with our sales by region A2 to G24. Click on OK. And here we have it. So here's our slicer. Again, this is an interactive slicer. We can reposition it. We have, again, our column to choose how we want to filter our data. And of course, make sure to have that apply to pivot tables option already checked. Let's choose a column to filter. Since we have our pivot table showing this by region, let's go ahead and select that and go back to our slicer right here. Close that off. Go to the options right here. We will be filtering this by values. So if we clear all the selected data and we just want this pivot table to show the Southwest America region, if we click on OK, that is the only thing that it will show within our pivot table. So going back to the option apply to pivot table, if we go to our edit slicer and uncheck that option, that slicer will not be able to filter this data because, again, it's not applied to our pivot tables. So if I were to, let's say, click on Midwest America, click on OK, it will still show all of our data because, again, it is not applied to our pivot table. If we click that, there you have it. Our data shown will change because now it's applied to our pivot tables. Close that off, and there you have it. Let's try and filter that again. This time by a different column. So go back to the edit slicer right here. Let's select a different column to filter our data. Let's go to our product purchase. So what we want to do here is to just show all the products except for the tripod set. If we go to all right here, clear all the selected values and only select this 3. So we are not including the tripod set. Click on OK, and here we have it. Here are the products that we chose to show: camera bags, camera lenses, memory cards, and no tripod set. And there you have it. So that's how you can filter your pivot tables with a slicer here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Now, if you want to customize your slicers, check out another video that I've created. I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner of this video. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.